All right, so truck, it's moving, it's all on its own power. Just pulled it out of the shop. Tires are all on, they're mounted, they're balanced, they're good to go. Right now we got the grocery getter. Come on, phone. We got my homie, we're gonna switch trucks, take this thing down the road and see what happens. Let's do this. Okay, back to business. We are in the Ram. If you can see back there, the big trailer is on. New tires are great. They're very quiet. They seem to handle pretty decent on the road. That's about all I'm going to use them on, so that's what we're going to do. First thing I get to go back and tow is my dad's Jeep. He's got a 14 Wrangler Rubicon, just like mine, but apparently it died in the intersection and now it won't start again. My dad is sitting there waiting. I'm gonna go pick him up and bring that back to the shop and have fun getting that figured out. Yeah. So, Jeep, it's all back into the shop. It stopped at a stoplight, just died. Not entirely sure why. I am going to try and start ripping things apart and just kind of figure out if I can see why it's not running. So it does have some fluid leaking underneath it. It's hard to tell if it's oil, gas, could be a little bit mixture of both. But that's what I'm going to find out and look at. We'll see what happens, right? So my dad's going to absolutely hate me for this, but I found out what happened to his Jeep. The fuel line clip broke off and caused the fuel line to fall off. So now that I put the fuel line back on, which needs a new clip because it looks like it was broken, now put it in. Fires right up. And it's good to go. That's kind of fixes I like to hear. I'm gonna call him now, see what he says. All right, so this morning, truck is back up and running. Trailer's back up and running. My dad's Jeep is back up and running. We have the Mini X and my truck back going. I am going to pull out a big large stump and a big old pine tree. I think we figured it's probably about 90 feet long, and it fell over during the windstorms, the same windstorms that knocked a hood into my teeth. So got to just get rid of it. It's leaning over a driveway of a neighbor's house, so heading over to my friend's house. Gonna rip up the stump, pull the whole tree down, and cut it all up and get it out of there for him. So that's on today's agenda, and let's get to it. Time to chain this thing down.